Game 2 ng PBA Finals, and let's talk about kung paano nabutas ng SMB yung defense ng TNT na same pa rin yung ginagawa nila kasi effective naman talaga nung Game 1 yung kanilang mga blitzing sa mga PNR actions. Kaya first adjustment na ginawa ni Coach Leo is pinag-start niya si Wami Chongson, and tama lang yung match-up. Kasi si Chris Ross is intended to guard Ray ng Batak, wala sa starting lineup si Ray. Kaya sakto lang talaga. So here, nakaabang na si Eram na usually ganun talaga yung instruction ng TNT. Kaso lang, Wami is different kay Ross. Si Ross kasi is not the kind of player or the type of player na ipe-play yung screen, magse-separate through dribble, mag-create tapos titira sa mid-range. Usually, tendency ni Ross, ipipick up yung dribble, maghahanap ng open man or mag-a-attack and or i-kick out niya. Pero ito kasi si Wami, he can play the screen all day. He can attack the help, will not end his dribble, tapos merong mid-range jumper. Ayun, solve na for SMB. Tsaka yung ginawa nila kay Oftana is effective. They play physical on him. Hindi nila binibigyan ng comfortable possession si Oftana. Makatira man siya is hindi siya calm to take those shots. Kaya ang sama rin ng mga bato niya in this game Like, bago siya maka-receive ng bola is grabe talaga yung off-ball pressure. Here is another Wami action. Last game kasi pag si Ross yan, pinapatay yung dribble, sabay pasa and broken play na. Unlike itong si Wami, buti rin at pumapasok yung mga tira niya from his creation. Dagdag mo pa yung kanyang outside shooting kaya nagkaka-space na rin si Junmar Fajardo. Tapos, after niya, sumali na si Don Trollano if kailangan ng puntos. And for TNT, si Jordan Heading lang is doing it all alone. And hindi yun sapat or hindi yun kayang matumbasan ang ginagawa ng SMB. Sa second quarter, ito, rant lang kasi medyo maasim talaga panoorin. Like, legit guys. Ngayon siguro, magrereklamo ako sa refs. Pero, hindi dahil merong pinapaboran It's like, naging battle na lang din kung sino yung magaling mag-flop Sobrang daming whistle, ang tagal ng quarter na to. Kumbaga kahit yung mga hindi naman nakaka-apekto sa possession is ang sipag ng calls. Example, onting bump pero live pa rin naman yung possession. Might as well give them the physicality of the finals. Pero wala Wala akong bias Tipong wala naman silang kinakampihan pero yung overall calls is yun lang naman yung concern ko Usually hindi ako mareklamo sa tawag. Pero ito lang talaga kasi na-fed up na rin ako habang nanonood In this quarter, lamang pa rin yung SMB in terms of effort. Yung mga second chance opportunities and na-figure out na rin naman ng Beerman kung paano malusutan yung defense ng TNT. If merong magmintes, ayun, masisipag yung mga players nila nandyan na out-hustle yung TNT dito kaya lamang pa rin yung SMB. Sa second half, same actions pa rin for TNT kung paano sila mag-cover. Pero if ever naman yung dribbler is i-pick up yung bola, dapat yung screener will spread properly para mahanap. And ganun nga yung ginawa ni Junmar. 2 points for SMB. And medyo nagkabuhay yung TNT nung nandyan si Halalon kasi siya yung nagpe-pressure sa defense, tapos getting transition basket, creating plays. Pero kasi nasasabayan nung Cruz at Trollano na duo in terms of energy. Kumbaga, hindi sila nag-shoulders down after ng mga energy points ng TNT. They also went with the same type of shots na kayang tumbasan yung mga points na yun. Hanggang sa hindi pa rin nakadikit ng sobra yung TNT. Hanggang kiliti lang sila. In the final period, sinubukan ulit ng TNT mag-fast game. Play the transition and okay naman, nakaka-convert. Pero SMB, what an answer. They also play the same kasi mas marami silang guys that can do that. And mas better. Kasi we're talking about CJ Perez on the floor. Tapos nung nagka-confidence na, ayun na, maganda na yung read sa screen actions, nare-recognize niya na. So, eto, nakaabang yung blitz, quick crossover, tapos libreng-libre yung lane. Iba talaga yung effect if you don't kill your dribble sa mga PNR actions. Just a tip for you guys who plays ball here. So, ayun, GG, panalo ang SMB sa Game 2, tabla na ang series.